Swap Solana on Phantom Wallet. How to swap Solana on Phantom Wallet is easy and simple. Now, first of all, open Phantom app. After that, tap on swap. Now here, select the coin that you want to swap your Solana to. For example, if you want like Jupiter, for example. And now enter how much you want to swap. For example, 10. And as you can see, and this is how much of Jupiter you will receive. Now check the providers. As you can see, it's called Definity. And check the price. And if you are ready to go, tap on swap. Because I don't have funds, I can't find swap. But in your case, tap on swap and you are ready to go. So this is how to swap Solana on Phantom Wallet. Thanks for watching. And if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.